Sleep apnea is a condition in which your breathing repeatedly starts and stops while you are asleep and you don't even realize it. So, what does it do? It means that your oxygen levels are dropping down repeatedly during your sleep. So, if you're waking up fatigued even after 8 hours of sleep, then ask your partner whether you are snoring. If yes, it's time to see a doctor and to rule out sleep apnea. And if you do have sleep apnea, you must take corrective measures immediately because sleep apnea may in later life cause things like chronic fatigue syndrome, hypertension, high blood sugar, heart disease, and even stroke.